kind of what do you call this? Any kind of coin is simple now. It's pepper, but what do we call it in Igbo? Ose. Ose or dry pepper. Ose. Okay? Then, any kind of what? Okay. What is this one? Salt, yes. English salt, Igbo. Then the next one, okay. Maggi, the Igbo. In English, Igbo, Ogiri Beke. Say Ogiri Beke. Now, to prepare this soup, before you start preparing soup, you have to know that hygiene is very important. So you got one kaki, you wash your hands. You wash your hands. Now see this egusi. Can you see? It looks like swallow. It looks like swallow. What we did here is we blended onions. We blended onions. We put pepper. We put my ogiri beke. I think ogiri beke. Now you know, then you add little hot water and you roll it as if you are rolling it. You are doing a dough. Have you seen me doing a dough? Yes. Okay. If you will be pressing it so that it will be like this. So that when you mold it, this is how it's going to be inside the soup. Can you see it? This is the molded one, the just little one is molded. Now forget. So when it cooks, you'll be eating it. It's no longer like the normal egusi soup, you know. The normal egusi soup, what do? We fry it, make it to use it as the thickener. But this one comes in one. So you taste the food, you taste the egusi as you are eating. We call it, some people call it abara kumba, some people call it abara ati. Okay? So that is the soup we are going to eat this afternoon. After making the soup, you will taste. It's good to taste everything. Try everything once. How do we know that somebody can eat meat? Somebody tried to eat meat, have you? If you have not eaten something before, give it a try. And you might not know. You say, oh, there are people that ate, what did we cook yesterday? Was this pepper sauce or yam with oil? Somebody don't do that. I don't know. I want something else. But when he tasted it, he loved it. That is how life is. So often now, say, what kind of soup? When they say, I don't know this is how it tastes. People eat shawarma. Somebody said, I don't know, I want to eat shawarma. I say, have you eaten shawarma before? I said, no. Say, I don't feel like eating shawarma. Do you know the taste? Say, no. So if I give you the taste, the shawarma, now, would you like it? Say, I don't know. So you don't know it. So don't say you want to eat shawarma. Because you don't know how it tastes. So everything in life is once. Try everything once. So today we are going to eat this soup. If you are from Anambra, we will cook Anambra on tomorrow. But today is Abia State soup. Ofe Akurapumba. Akurapumba soup. That's what we eat this afternoon. Yes, Akurapumba. It's a soup we use for occasions. Very important. So if we mob na name na live any occasion in Ebola in Abia State, if you don't see this soup, it's not an occasion. It's a special kind of soup. Then the Okulokuro people or Umuahia people add achara. And achara, there's something we call achara. It's a kind of leaf too that is added. So as I get so far now, that's what we eat. I will nominate some people that will come to the kitchen to help to mold this egusi for me. Then quickly we'll make the soup. Will not take us time. Then after that, you will tell me how whether you love the soup or you don't like the soup. So we'll select about 3 or 4 people. Okay, we'll pour so we can mold the egusi and make the soup for us to eat. Any question? Or after the soup, do you have question now? ngwa ka anyị jee ọsịsọ ka anyị jee sie dị ofe daalụnụ.
Cha Igbo kwenu. Why can I call mommy aka? Let's clap for mommy today. Okay. Because Daniel mommy aka. Chioma. Daniel mommy aka. One name. Zikora. Daniel mommy aka. Mba. Daniel mommy aka. Daniel mommy aka. Zikora. Glove.
Keep walking. Yes, please.
Zikora Bia. I'll tell you to go downstairs. You walk from up that thing. You don't come here again. Come and stand from here. And walk. Let's come back. Come back this way. Susan. Are you going to get it? Are you ready? Okay, good. So let's go to the kitchen now. Good. So let's take it to the kitchen. No. Rub that time again. Thank you. And now, glove. No, glove. Glove. Le blazo. Yeah. All right, I hope we learned something today. Come and sit down. Now, okay, I hope we learned something today. Just a very quick one. Kedifebu useku. What is useku? Kedifebu useku. Yeah. Useku is not pepper. Ose is pepper. Kedifebu useku. Checking up, see if I'm in there. Kedifebu useku. What is useku? You're not listening. Hey, go swimming for all of you today. I was asking a question. I said, what is useku? Yes, no. Is what?
Is it fish?
No. Ingredients, no.
Is it the name of the soup?
Not the name of the soup.
Is it the meat?
Not the meat. Not the pepper. Useku means kitchen. Useku means what? Kitchen. But I said we are going to the village kitchen. Isn't it? Was that not my introduction? I said we are going to the village kitchen, which is called what? Useku Igbo. So in Igbo language, we call kitchen what? We call kitchen what? Beautiful. I hope you all enjoyed your classes today. So at this time, we're going to relieve you to have your recess time. You enjoy yourself. You relax, okay? And watch Igbo tunes. And watch what? Igbo tunes. Don't put Cheche Kule for me. You know that song?
Yes,
Don't put that one.
Cheche Kule is African song.
Yeah, it's not. Hold on, calm.
Help my colleague.
What's why an Igbo? Oh, that means you're not ready to go. I just told you that kitchen is useku, and you say you don't still understand. All right, thank you very much. Let's have a blessing.
Can I go to the useku?
Not useku.
What do you understand? You understand kitchen?
Kitchen.
What's kitchen?
Useku.
kitchen that works.
It's a kitchen that. A kitchen is a kitchen that.
Okay.
Oh God. Kitchen. A kitchen is a place where you cook food.
So what's the name of the soup you're eating today? Let me know if you even remember.
I forgot. I know. Abia soup.
Yes, what's the name?
I don't know Fabian.
Which one is Abia soup? Is Anambra soup you see? It's a soup commonly eaten by Abia people, but it has a name. Yes. Egusi soup? No.
Egusi soup is the one that's Nigerian. Amala.
Amala.
Amala, no. Amala.
All right. Let's have a nice time. Thank you very much. You don't answer my question. Say when you want to go and swim. How many of you brought your swimming trunks today?
Me, so I've got something.
What's please in Igbo?
Because.
No, it's not that.
That is
No, what's excuse in Igbo? All these things was the things I taught you in the class now. Auntie, what's my have to say excuse? Are you pulling any cherry? Biko cherry?
I'm not just Igbo.
Go meet your aunties. Obey the last one. Go meet your aunties first. You will swim. You want to swim? You will swim. You want to swim? You will swim. You will swim. You will swim. You choose between kitchen and swimming. Kitchen. No swimming for you.
Okay.
Come back. Wait. I'll take you to the kitchen myself. So, is that all? Well, it's not time for swimming now. When it's time, I'll let you know.
I don't really want to.
I'm going to get your aunties now to take care of you now. So you won't go alone.
Well, we go back.
You return back to your hostels and whatever. Go and have your time. Your swimming time.
Swimming. I choose swimming.
You choose swimming.
Yes, I'm choosing swimming.
Good. So return back to your hostels now. Yes, that's fine. No swim. You are going to eat enough food. After eating, go and lie down and sleep. Okay? Is that why you are crying?